Hey, what's up, guys? This is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down the trade that happened on gold and also SPX, which was a beautiful setup. And after that, I'm gonna show you the results of gold incubator in the past 24 hours. So I'm gonna show you what happened on gold first, guys. As you can see, this is live. This is not on replay because I'm watching it right now. And this is something that's happening right now. So but I want to do a little bit of replay for you and take you back to the beginning of New York session and show you exactly what happened and why I decided to take that sell position. Okay, so if I delete everything, I want to delete everything for you and start from scratch. Okay, so here we are in the beginning of New York session. As you can see, this is exactly, so this is 11:15. It's not in the beginning, but this is when I started looking at gold charts, because this is exactly when gold incubator was opening a trade and it was a sell trade, one here, and I was wondering that why it actually took a sell trade. But I noticed that right here we have a high probability order block that got tapped into, and a high probability order block exactly right here. So see, this high probability order block is more valid just because of this bearish engulfing candle that happened, and then the next candle after that left a gap between this zone and this candle right here. So that's why this is a high probability supply zone, and I was just waiting for the price to tap into this level and then I could take my sell position. And as you can see, this is exactly, okay, so it's actually respecting this level and then it went up. See, it literally tapped into this level. We have a doji candle, and then after that it started dropping. So even if you take your sell position from here and put your stop loss here and your TP right here, it still would be a really good trade. It would be a beautiful one-to-one trade. This one is not valid anymore because it's already tapped into, and we have another high probability demand zone that I think didn't get respected. And as you can see, it just dropped significantly. But even if you wanted to take your sell position from here to here just because of this high probability order block and just because of this head and shoulder that formed here, you could have done that and it was a beautiful trade. But you know, it's not according to the trend because we have so many higher highs and higher lows here, multiple breakout structures, so it made the trend bearish. And after this head and shoulder structure, as you can see, it started creating lower lows and lower highs, and this is exactly where we are. And this one is invalid. This would be a beautiful one-to-one trade that happened right now. Okay, so the second trade, the second formation of that trade that happened on SPX was a really good one. So SPX, you know, as you can see, it's obvious that we have a really strong bullish engulfing candle here, and this high probability demand zone from here to here. So this is really obvious, as you can see. And also we have, like, you know, a consolidation around this area, which is really obvious as well. So the first thing I did was identifying all this, you know, high probability supply and demand zones, and as you can see, this is the first one that happened. Beautiful one, got respected, bearish engulfing candle, boom. It's beautiful, guys. Just because of this order block, I'm not using any indicator, nothing, just pure price action and using my you know, levels just to take the trade, whether it's sell or buy. It could be a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio because actually it came down more. So, but I want to show you exactly what happened after that. So I want to show you, okay, so this one's disconnected. See, it could be easily a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio just using this high probability order block here. And then after the drop, we have another one that formed from here to here. So if you don't know how to identify high probability supply and demand zones, guys, I highly recommend you to watch my other videos. I'm always talking about high probability supply and demand zones every single day on literally every single video. So even if you watch my first video on my channel, you can have a better understanding of the definition of high probability supply and demand zones. So this is the second thing that happened, and again, we're just waiting for the price to tap into this level, and then after that it literally did, look at this, and rejected doji. Again, another short from here. Put your stop loss above the previous candle and your TP to the next high probability demand zone, which is right here. And this is exactly what happened. See, even this one didn't get respected, so you could close your trade one-to-one, beautiful trade. If you wanted to hold it 1-to-2, which was again a really beautiful structure for this trade. And if I want to stop the replay, you'll see that we are right here, and it formed another high probability supply zone, which is around this area, that I wouldn't personally recommend to take it anymore, because you know it's dropped enough in my opinion. Because when it drops too much or when it goes up too much, it's way better not to trade, because you don't know, it's probably a reversal pattern or something, because it wanted to come down to cover all these gaps, to fill in all these gaps, and it kind of did. But if I want to look for any high probability demand zone around this area, I just can find this one right here. So this is the high probability demand zone that I could find. The rest of it is just came to the middle, and then after that we need to wait for the reversal to tap into this level and then see what happens. But if you want to take a sell position after this price hit this level, you got to be careful, guys, because exactly above this high probability supply zone we have so many gaps. So you got to be aware of all the gaps, because it can go up further, fill in the gaps, and then drop. So that's what I'm saying, be careful when you're trading that. But this is what's forming right now. I'm not going to trade because it's out of my trading hours, but what I'm saying is I probably tap into this level and then it goes up. So let's see what happens. So that's it for this analysis, guys. But before you go, let me show you the results of Gold Incubator during London session. Today's date is April 12th. We are up 62.33% in profit on a brand new account, guys, which is $615 in profit. And I can also show you my VPS account and show you exactly what happened during London session. So as you can see, this is live, this is the account, and this is the account history, and these are all the trades that it took in April 15th in the past 24 hours during London session. Less than 24 hours, way less than 24 hours, but I'm just saying during London session. So in my time is 1 in the morning. So these are all the trades. These arrows are all the trades that this robot took, completely hands-free. I wasn't involved at all, and I just let the robot, you know, do its job. And we had a small small withdrawal here as well. I'm using Blueberry Markets, guys. I have so many videos about Blueberry Markets, and also I have a really important video that I highly recommend you to watch if you want to use Gold Incubator, or even if you want to trade manually, or you want to use other EAs. So I highly recommend you to watch them, guys, because watch those videos. It's very important when it comes to choosing a broker. I blew an account with the same robot in a different broker. So that was a really interesting one, guys. I'm not going to talk about it right here because it's going to take long. I put a card above this video so you watch that video. So I'm comparing two accounts with the same robot with different brokers, that what happened to each of them in a specific day. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you have any question, you know what to do. Drop your comment below this video, or you can personally reach out to me. I get back to you as soon as possible and answer all your questions. And by the way, you can try Gold Incubator for 7 days for free, and the only thing you need to do is just to grab your license from bio, which you can find the link exactly in the description, because you're watching it on YouTube, and then after that send us your account number. We'll manually activate your account. So thanks for watching again, and see you in the next one.